Have you ever dreamed of becoming a millionaire? It might seem like a far-off goal, but with the right strategy, it's more achievable than you think. Today, we're diving into 10 proven blueprints that can pave your way to a 7-figure net worth. Whether you're just starting out or already on your financial journey, these strategies will provide the roadmap you need. So, grab a notebook and let's unlock the secrets to building serious wealth. First up, the classic wealth builder: buy and hold real estate. This isn't about flipping houses for a quick profit. It's about acquiring properties and holding them for the long term. As you do, your tenants pay down your mortgage, building your equity, while the property value appreciates over time. Plus, you get a steady stream of rental income. It's a powerful 2-in-1 punch of cash flow and asset growth. You can start small, maybe with a duplex where you live in one unit and rent out the other. Over time, you can leverage your first property to acquire more, creating a real estate empire that generates wealth for generations. Blueprint number 2 is for the innovators and go-getters, starting and scaling a business. Nothing has created more millionaires than entrepreneurship. Find a problem you're passionate about solving. Create a product or service that offers a solution and build a business around it. It could be a local service, an e-commerce store, or a groundbreaking tech startup. The key is to create something of value that people are willing to pay for. It's a path that requires immense dedication, but the potential for financial reward is virtually unlimited. Start small, validate your idea, and focus on scaling once you find what works. Our third blueprint is for the patient and analytical mind: value investing in individual stocks. Think like Warren Buffett. The goal here is to find great companies that are temporarily undervalued by the market. You do your homework, analyze their financials, understand their business model, and buy their stock for less than its intrinsic worth. Then, you hold on as the market eventually recognizes the company's true value. This isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. It requires research and a strong stomach for market volatility, but identifying those hidden gems can lead to incredible returns over the long haul. Blueprint number 4 is a fantastic way to create passive income: dividend growth investing. Instead of just hoping for stock prices to go up, you focus on companies with a long history of paying and increasing their dividends. These are typically stable, established businesses. Each quarter, they send you a cash payment just for being a shareholder. You can then reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, which in turn generate even more dividends. This creates a compounding snowball of wealth that grows bigger and faster over time. It's like getting paid to own a piece of a great company. Next, let's talk about the easiest path for many. Blueprint number 5. Maximizing your 401k and other retirement accounts. If your employer offers a 401k with a match, you should be contributing at least enough to get the full match. That's free money. From there, aim to max out your contributions each year if you can. The tax advantages are huge. Your money grows tax-deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on the gains until you withdraw in retirement. This allows your investments to compound much more aggressively. A consistently funded 401k, invested in low-cost index funds, can easily grow to over $1 million by the time you retire. Blueprint 6 is all about diversifying your income, creating multiple income streams and side hustles. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. What if you lose your job? By building multiple streams of income, you create a financial safety net. This could be anything from freelancing with your professional skills, driving for a rideshare service, starting a blog or YouTube channel, or selling products online. Even an extra few $100s a month, when invested wisely, can dramatically accelerate your journey to $1 million. Start with one side hustle that fits your skills and schedule, and grow from there. Now for a foundational step that everyone needs. Blueprint number 7. Building a high-yield savings account and emergency fund. This isn't the most glamorous strategy, but it's the bedrock of financial security. Before you invest heavily, you need a cash cushion. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This protects you from having to sell your investments or go into debt when unexpected emergencies pop up. A high-yield account ensures your cash is at least fighting inflation, earning you more than a traditional savings account while still being safe and accessible. Blueprint number 8 is for those comfortable with a bit more risk for a higher return: peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to act like a bank, lending money directly to individuals or small businesses. In return, you receive interest payments. You can diversify your investment by lending small amounts to hundreds of different borrowers, which helps mitigate the risk of any single borrower defaulting. It's a modern way to generate passive income from interest, often at higher rates than you'd get from traditional fixed income investments. Just be sure to do your research and understand the risks involved. Blueprint 9 takes us to the cutting edge of finance, cryptocurrency, and digital assets. This is undoubtedly the most volatile and speculative blueprint on our list, but the potential for explosive growth is undeniable. Assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum have created a new generation of millionaires. If you choose to explore this space, it's crucial to approach it with caution. Only invest what you are truly willing to lose. Consider it a small, speculative part of a well-diversified portfolio. Educate yourself thoroughly on the technology and the specific projects you're investing in. High risk can mean high reward, but it can also mean significant loss. Finally, our 10th blueprint is about protecting the wealth you've built. Asset protection and insurance. What's the point of building $1 million fortune if you can lose it all in an instant? This means having the right insurance coverage, health, life, disability, and umbrella liability insurance. It also means understanding legal structures like LLCs or trusts to shield your assets from lawsuits, especially if you own a business or real estate. Building wealth is one half of the equation. Preserving it is the other. Don't neglect this crucial step. So there you have it, 10 distinct blueprints to build $1 million fortune, from the slow and steady path of your 401k to the high growth potential of starting a business. There's a strategy here for everyone. The most successful people often combine several of these blueprints. The key is to start now. Pick one or two that resonate with you, educate yourself, and take that first step. Your future self will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build your wealth. We'll see you in the next one.